welcome to our solar inverter installation series. As always, we want to keep you up to speed on our solar inverter installation projects as we go about the processes and then the end products. But in this point, in this case now, we're looking at the end product of a 3 kVA hybrid solar inverter mated with a 5 kilowatts lithium ion battery with a 2.5 kilowatts PV array on the roof matching it. So at this point now, this is 1 p.m. Nigerian time. The sun is at its peak and we are looking to see what we are generating. Battery, it's on 26.9, that's and then it's on 97% at this point. So let's see what we are generating. Let's see what we are generating. We're generating 844 watts, and then currently we are actually generating, or we are drawing a total of our load is 13% at 367 watts or thereabouts. Yes. So let's take a look at what our system is currently powering within these 3-bedroom apartments here in EPE Lagos State. Like I said, it's a 3 kVA hybrid solar Felicity inverter mated with a 5.212 kilowatts lithium ion battery, also of Felicity, and then a 2.5 kilowatts PV array on the roof, burning like hell to keep these two babies powering this home. Now let's look at what we're looking to power, or what we are powering at this moment. Yeah, so we're trying to set up the refrigerator to see if it's going to power it, and voila, that's our refrigerator, our mid-size chest freezer running on the inverter. As you can see there, it's running and it's good to go. You could see the mid-size chest freezer running on our inverter. So let's take a look at other parts of the home and see what else we are powering. We are in the living room of this home. The ceiling fans are running. There's a 40 or 55-inch plasma TV that is supposed to run on our inverter. So here's the ceiling fan running, yeah, and then there's a light also running, and then there's also a second ceiling fan. As you can see, the ceiling fan is running, and it keeps our system up to speed. So this is a 3 kVA Felicity hybrid inverter mated with a 5.12 kilowatt lithium ion battery, also of Felicity, with a PV design of a 2.5 kilowatts, powering and giving joy to this home 24/7. Hit us up on 090-1478-9126. I repeat again, 090-1478-9126 for an inverter system, solar inverter system design, installation, maintenance, and all that. And also for facts, for checks, and for validations when it has to do with renewable energy. Visit our blog on www.solarandinverterblog.com.ng for anything that has to do with solar and inverter installation, renewable inverter facts, repairs, and all of that. That's where we give you the details that has to do with renewable energy for your information and for you to be well adept as to what is going on in the industry. Talk to us on 090-1478-9126. Phone or WhatsApp. We are Ultra Energy. We are here to light up your homes and businesses.